Yo, what's up, bro? How are you? I'm great, bro. Thank you. What about you, bro? Great, thank you. Second, welcome, bro. Welcome. Hello. Yo, bro. Yo. Welcome, my boys. I'm feeling sad because the school season is starting. Yeah, bro. 1 second, guys. 1 second, my boys. I'm back. 87 days, crazy. Yes, bro. Yeah, crazy. I don't hate school, but like I'm also tired because I know it's gonna be more harder. So guys, you have holidays in summer, because in my country we have like 3 months in summer holidays. Because a lot of guys told me like there is not for everyone. I thought this is in every country. So how's the game going? Great, bro, great. Get it to 1000 days. Yeah, bro, probably. No, 1000, that's a lot, bro. That's a lot. We have 3 months too. Oh, that's cool, bro. Because some guys told me like they have like 1 month or even less. Or even less. There is no summer in some country. Yeah, I also heard about that. Like some guys on the stream told like in some countries almost no any summer holidays. For me it was 5 months. For 5 months holidays, bro, what? I think they mean like winter holiday. No, summer holiday, bro. Summer holiday, like 1 month probably, or even less, I don't know. Like not a lot. Here is. So let's go, my boys. In my country they say 3 months, but sometimes it can be 4. What the hell, bro? That's cool. That's cool. Really, some guys from Bangkok or something like so they don't have holidays. Almost. Okay, okay. Okay, my boys. Okay, let's see what we have. Yesterday we made the monster top. Let's see. First, what's the problem is here? We need to spawn our character at the beginning, always here. At the beginning, because it should appear when we upload our lobby here. And why it doesn't work now? So only when we equip that. Let's go to the monsters. Equip, unequip. Somehow we need to put so we need somewhere to place our monster, because here's we all only put our this one, our survivor only, as you see. We need somehow to make probably place it here maybe, but here's will be leaderboards. This is very interesting. Where we can place, or maybe at the buttons and we can switch between them. I don't know. Probably yeah, my boys. At 1:30 p.m. I need to go, like, help me to study English. I know how to talk English, but they don't want to listen to me. Maybe they want to just, bro, to improve your skills. So why not? English need everywhere, bro. So definitely this is not the bad, not bad improvement, bro. Definitely, because I learned English. I started learning English only when I was 25 probably, or something like so, and it was very late, bro, and it was pretty hard. So it's better if you learn it as earlier as possible, bro. Definitely. So I learned English by myself and videos and talk in chat. Yes, bro, but you can always improve that. Why not? To be real English speaker, professional English speaker. So why not? Because I also understand English and I can talk with you, but I need to improve definitely my English a lot. I feel that, bro. So okay, first we need to place our model. Let's go to services, lobby system, Oxer, characters, model builder, maybe lobby controller. Yeah, lobby controller, lobby oh yeah, let's put here, guys. We need to put something here where we call lobby controller. I wanna see. I gotta go, sorry, bye. Thanks for visiting, bro. Anyway, choose character, item. So choose character. Anyway, we choose any character. Okay, probably we need to see our local script. This lobby controller, what's that? Let's move that here in assets alt, better. Yeah, like this one. Local script. Lobby controller.new and yeah, I know, guys, I know how we can do that. Lobby controller, lobby init. Okay, let's close all of that. Lobby controller. Oh, we need choose character, right? Right. Yeah. So let's call that choose character in lobby controller. We need to make local choose character equals to require script parent characters choose character. Choose character dot new, and here is we need to get what. So we need item. What is item here? Item name, shell properties item. Wait, where we call choose character? What the hell? I wanna see that. Okay. Equipped item. What is equipped item? Yeah, I wanna see what's that first. Print equipped item. Probably this is a table with our item or something like so. Yeah, I call that or not. Oh yeah, my bad. We don't need to initialize it here. Okay, inventory, for example, this guy, equip. So we, okay, yeah, we have a table here. We have a full table. Let's go. Yeah, we can easily set up that and it automatically, when we initialize that, or not, no, let's better make choose character. So we have ID in equipped character, right? So we need to go through inventory and find our character, right? And just get equipped item. So equip survivor. Yeah, okay. So let's go here. We don't need to initialize any data here. We just create like this one, function lobby controller set survivor item, and here we just need to call our choose character dot new and item. But we need to call that method here when we get our data. So here's we need get item by ID. Probably we have where this one in modules, utils, or in inventory system, item by ID. Let's copy that. Let's copy that better to separate that. Like this one. Item by ID. And let's call this here lobby system utils. Or maybe just place that in modules, really. Modules utils. Let's place it here, really, why not? So let's go here, local modules, replicate storage modules, local utils, modules utils, item by ID, local item by ID equals to require utils item by ID. So item by ID okay, wait. So we need to make that only at the beginning. Place all of that. Lobby controller, set survivor, and we need item name. Local survivor equals get item by ID, find ID and inventory category. Okay. ID ID, this is what? This is data. Data. Okay, I wanna see what is data first. I wanna see what is data, of course. Let's go. Okay. Chosen survivor, yeah, that's it. Hello Noel, welcome bro. How are you, bro? Chosen survivor, data dot chosen survivor. This is ID and inventory category. Okay, data inventory dot survivors, probably like so. And here's we need just an item survivor like this one. I'm not sure. I'm fine. What about you? I'm good. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm good. Let's see. Oh, my boys, he's here. Nice. So it automatically appears here. Let's equip this guy. It appears here. Let's rejoin the game, and it should be a normal guy by default. Yeah, I know why is it so, guys. Because this is default character. We need to do something here. We need in our item by ID make something else. If ID if type of ID equal to number, right, then return wait, we need to get access to default characters config first, of course. Local default characters config equals require replicate game get service replicated storage configs default characters config then return default characters config maybe inventory category, right? Okay, I wanna see one more thing. What's inventory category? Probably this is a table. This is a table. Yes, yes, this is a table. We need to get a name of a table. Oh, wait. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what is I? No, this is indexes. This is indexes. Okay, let's make it easier. Let's make it easier and don't care about that. Let's make just like so. Survivors, item by ID, and category. Yeah, like this. category, for example, survivors and first. Just replace that for category and like this one, and return end. Category. Okay. Okay, let's try. Nice, great. Let's equip another guy, like this one. And let's start again. Okay, he's here. Let's choose this guy. Okay. And let's go again. Nice, he appears. Great. All works. Okay, so data we don't need it here. How we can place our monster? Maybe we just switch the camera or something like so. Let's see how it looks like now. Here's will be leaderboard, here's will be play button, and we can probably put the arrows here and switch between monster and survivors. But how can we switch? Or just replace this guy? Okay, let's add the buttons first. Let's add buttons first. I have a buttons. I know what buttons we can take. Let's go in lobby. Lobby, I just copy if I'm not wrong. No. Or wait, yeah. I put that. Yeah, I just need to take that. Okay, like so. And maybe we need to add one more parameter in data store, probably, like current character, like survivor or monster. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, so let's add some buttons. Frame, this will be switch characters, character, just character, I think. Size 1, transparency 1, and we just add here some buttons. Buttons, this will be image button size 0.2, for example, XX or YY. I like this one. I think we place them here. Background transparency 1, image have that. Page buttons, wait, I separated them before. I separated page button. Oh, left right, yeah, left right, left. Let's duplicate that. Left, right. Right will be on the right. Right, okay, like this one. So let's see. Yeah, something like so. But that's not all. We need to place that in the frame, I think. We need to place that in the frame, definitely. Switch size. Like this one, I think. I wanna just place here our buttons. Yeah, and between them will be something else. One, I think. Okay, and here's text label. Transparency 1, and it will be on the middle, probably like so. Like, oh wait, size. Text size, I don't know, 40, maybe 50 even. Text. Survivor. Font. Redoco 1. Color. Text color white, of course. Stroke. Stroke 2 or 3 probably. And I wanna make here one more image label. What's that, maybe you ask? This is sign of our I'll show you guys. What's that? Transparency 1, image, monster, for example. Hello, like this one. So okay, maybe we'll make it a little bit smaller. Let's put anchor point 0.5, position 0.5 also. And size 0.75, for example, like this one. How you been? I'm great, bro. I'm great. Thank you. Okay, so let's now see how it will be. Yeah, we need to move it on the right a little bit. let's move it like here, maybe a little more. Like so, maybe. Yeah, probably like so. Let's remove background. Let's see, guys, how it looks like. So we just switch between survivors and monsters here. And or maybe not survivor, maybe just maybe just a name, and this sign show us this is a monster, or yeah, probably with this treasure I summon myself. Hello Phoenix, welcome bro. Hello bro. Okay, maybe not survivor, guys, maybe it'll be not survivor. So text, maybe ninja. So ninja. What if we make maybe, okay, I know guys, I know, anchor point 0.5, position same, and size y like 0.8, size x 0.7, for example, maybe 0.8 even. Okay, 8, yeah, like this. And background color black and transparency 0.5, like this one. Maybe it will be better. And also we can add no, we have a stroke here. Panics, bro. So z index we need to change, of course. We need to change the index of that. Profan, you're making spectate GUI? No, not. I'm not in the game now. This is lobby. I'm making not spectate GUI. I'm making so you can switch. You can switch your to see what monster equipped and what survivor equipped. Because as you see, there is monsters and there is survivors. So you equip both of them, and you switch between them and just see what monster equipped and what survivor equipped. I said the game is starting to go as planned. Yes, bro, yes, definitely. So maybe transparency will be transparent, fully transparent. Hi Profan, hi bro, welcome. Okay, maybe like so, my boys, maybe like so. Oh, I know guys, what if we just colorize that? Also, when there is a survivor, will be like, I don't know. Oh no, we probably colorize that in color depending on rarity. This will be better, definitely. Yeah, let's create this image label. This will be monster. This will be survivor, like this one. Survivor image, survivor equipped, like this one. So like this one. Do you know how to show our animations when we play the game? I've done with many animations. Do you know how to show our animations when we play the game? I didn't get your questions, bro. What? Do we know how to show our animations when we play the game? Like everyone should see your animation, or what do you mean, bro? Make the monster local a little bit higher. Maybe, let's try that. Let's try, my boys. Yo, welcome, bro. Hi, Profan. Hello. Welcome, guys. Yeah, like so, I think. Okay. Yeah, show animations. Like how do we make everyone see our animations? You need to fire all clients when some animations playing, if I'm not wrong. Wait. Yeah, probably yeah. Or not. This is hard question, bro. I did that, but I forget how I did that. If I'm not wrong, you need to fire all clients. Or not. Wait. Maybe there is some better way how to do that. Maybe. Okay, my boys. Okay. You better to watch to find the solution on developer forum about this question, because I'm not too experienced about animations, bro. I did something like so, but I don't remember how to do it properly. Okay, my boys, let's connect this and yeah. So switch constraint. Here's, let's add text, scale text, and. So we need the data here. We need the data. Default will be, of course, survivor. So let's put survivor first. I have not been in stream for a while. That's not a problem, bro. That's not a problem. Probably we just choose the character. Okay, maybe this is main buttons. Okay, characters, choose character model builder. Let's create just a module, probably. Switch character. Character switcher, maybe. Character switcher. How the game is finished soon. I really wanna play. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Okay, my boys. Main buttons controller. Okay, let's go. function character switcher dot new local self set method table character switcher return self self let's get GUI, player GUI, screen GUI, self character, okay, switcher GUI character switch, right switch. What if we add this in buttons or in folder? Will be better. This will be in sign folder. Will be more organized, my boys. And this will be title, like this one. Okay, self buttons equals to self switcher dot buttons, self sign, self switcher sign, self title equals self switcher title. And that's it, my boys. Let's go. So character switcher, we need to initialize our buttons. If you make one, I really like to host a tournament. What tournament in the game, bro, or what? Function character switcher init. Local button, cell buttons dot left activated connect okay, function like this one. This is left, this is right. This we just initialize our buttons here to activate it. Okay, and we need what? We need to function character switcher switch yeah, and we need to get here as a self current character survivor. If current character equal to survivor, then current character equals to monster. else current character survivor, like this one. This is just for switching. Okay, let's better function set current. Let's create a method, will be better, like this one. And here's will be like a self set current. This is first step. Then what we need to do else? Here's we just make self switch. No guys, we don't need it. We don't need that. We can do it easily. For button in buttons get children do if not button is a UI, then continue end. This is just a protection maybe. Then button activated, like this one. Not buttons, button activated. And we don't need such a big thing here. Or we can even do like so. Yeah, like this one. Okay. Because they all do the same, absolutely. Set current first. After that, we need to in initialize. We probably can also make animations. Yeah, why not? Let's go. Let's do that. It will be better. Animate. Yeah, like this one. Oh, wait. Yeah, to animate we need to place them inside the frame. Yeah, this is very important. I forget about that. Or not, wait. Anchor point. Maybe not. Hello, bro. Remember me? Yes, of course. You was yesterday, bro. .5, like this one. Wait, what the hell? Okay, background transparency 1. Position. Oh, anchor point. Yeah, my bad. And if we place it here. Okay. Anchor point 0.5. Maybe like so. Maybe it works. Yeah, shouldn't be any problem, I think. Shouldn't be any problem with this one. Okay. Twin items. We need to call that. We need to call that here. we can animate that here. Okay, yeah, let's separate that and create here the function character switcher animate. Will be better if we separate all of that. Self animate here when we initialize that, and we also make that like this one. Mouse enter and mouse leave. Like this one, let's try. No, it doesn't work for some reason. Okay, let's see why. For fun, I have no clue how should the shop UI look like. Find the references, bro. Find the references in Google, like shop GUI in Roblox. I also use references always, so definitely you need to use references. So why it doesn't work? Button, if not button is GUI button, then continue end. 1 and 2. No, that doesn't work for some reason. Have you earned anything yet from Roblox development? I'm not sharing my personal information about my money, bro, sorry. Yeah, but I don't know what style should I make it, like modern, cartoony, or I don't know. All depends, bro, of your game. All depends of your game, definitely. I don't know. So what's your game about? Because I remember that you don't have idea what your game about. If not button. Okay, wait. Print 1. Oh my boys, what the hell I am doing? What the hell I am doing? I'm not called the constructor. I'm not called the constructor in any place. What the hell? And I try to do something. Okay, we just need to call that here. Yeah, we just need to call that here. It's like some touch grass cash grab simulator thingy. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Anyway, all depends on how your map look like. If your map and the whole game looks like modern, definitely you need a modern style. Like if your map, but probably your map not looks cartoony a lot. All depends of your environment. Like definitely if there is a medieval style, it will be very strange if you put the cartoony or modern. So okay, let's first define here's character switcher. Local character switcher. equals require lobby system character switcher dot new, like this one. Let's try. Oh yeah, this is not all, we need to initialize that. Oh wait, what I'm doing, what the hell? Local. Alright guys, gotta go and meet you after some time. Okay bro, thanks for visiting. Bye bro, bye. Character switcher dot new and character switcher init, like this one probably. Oh nice, it works, great. Yeah, this thing I'm only made modern GUI for the plugin and anti-cheat, and a modern GUI would be very bad for this game, but I don't have any idea what should I make, so I'm search up some ideas. I think, yeah, probably you need more references, bro. References always, a lot of people, okay, everyone should use references. If some guys don't use references in their head, bro, already, because they have a lot of experience. References, this is a key always. This is always the key. Okay, maybe like so. Character switcher, okay. Set current and just data we send here. Or maybe wait. Okay, let's create a method. Here's function method called update, like this one. Is it possible you can play test right now? I wanna see. Or does nothing work right now? Nothing work, bro. I have a playable version, but this is so old. You can try that with some guys who is here. You can try if you want. I'll share a link, but the game definitely will be different. Not like that, because lobby definitely looks like not the same, and you need minimum 2 players to play. You need minimum 2 players, and there is no mobile support at all. Yeah, you can't use abilities on the mobile, so you can try, but it looks absolutely different, really. So main game hasn't changed yet. Okay, update data. Let's put self. Oh, what the hell? My internet a little broken for some reason. Okay, character. Maybe nil. Yeah, self data nil, and we don't need init. Probably we initialize before. Yeah, we definitely initialize it before, like here. And character switcher update we make here. update. Yeah, it will be better. And data, send the data here every time, because we don't need to initialize a lot of times. That like self.data equals data. Okay. Okay, so here we need to put self science probably science hello. All right, guys, all works, I hope, because my internet little broken for a while. Character switcher. For some reason my message didn't appear. Stream a little bit. My internet disconnected for a while. Now should work. Reset signs. For sign in. Get children do sign false. Sign this is image label. Sign visible false. Self reset signs. Profine, do you know any sites where I find GUIs, either free or paid? Site where I can find GUIs. Let me check. Maybe. If I'm not wrong, oh yeah, this one. This is Keegan told me about that. As you see, there is a free you can pick, and there's a lot of free assets. Let's see, for example, as you see, there is a lot of things. So I just like so. But I pinned that in my Discord, by the way. Thanks, no problem, bro. Yo, welcome. Yeah, let me pin that in Discord. Probably for some of you guys it will be helpful. So in Discord server, in help you, I pin the website with free assets, GUI assets. Probably I need to pick the free category. Yeah, like this one better. Okay. Okay, like this one. So my boys. Okay, reset science, and okay, maybe set science. Set science. Let's make first this one, and then science monster survivor. Self science. Current character dot visible equals to true, like this one probably. Set science. Set sign, just sign. Set sign. So we're setting this method and set at the same time. And of course, self title dot text equals to I'm going to on my alt to sub on you're there too. Thank you bro, thank you very much. Okay, so title text, and we need what? We need the name of that. We need again to get by ID like we did before. Okay, wait. Set survivor, we don't need it. Main buttons controller. Choose character. Item by ID. We need that. We need item by ID. Where we call that? I'm very interested. Oh yeah, here. We need item by ID. Let's copy that here. Let's put it. Oh wait, we have modules, right? Nice. Item by ID. Item by ID. We need this one. Okay. Local item. Self data. Chosen survivor. Self data. Inventory. Current character probably. Yeah, and add. Okay, sub. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, inventory. Chosen character. Oh wait. Chosen. Okay, wait. Let's start with this one. Current character. I know, guys, like this we make current character. Here is also we need to make like this one. current character and S. Like monsters, only 133 subs left till 1k. Great, great, bro, great, my boys. And will be a basement reveal where I live. I'll make a video about that. Okay, here's let's make like, oh wait, like so, chosen, and what the hell is that? Why so big? Okay, let's see. Should work. It should work. So we get item, right? First, this is ID, self data, chosen. Okay, chosen monster on survivor, self data inventory. For example, monsters, and here's monsters also. We get the item dot name, self title, text color. Okay, let's create a variable for that. Local title, this is text label, because I want to define that. I want to define the I'm so curious for the basement tour. Text color 3. Wait. We need to get rarity color, right? Rarity colors. A lot of configs we need here. But that's okay. Okay, local config. Okay, the storage configs. Local rarity colors. Require configs. Rarities config. Oh, rarity colors. Rarity colors. Item rarity. I'm not sure this this is work or not, but let's try. Let's just try. Okay, zombie, normal guy. It switches, but just colors. Okay, my boys, let's go. And of course, we don't switch models like this one. I'ma go eat. Have a good meal, bro. Have a good meal. Okay, so we just okay, I wanna see what is rarity. What is item? It worked, yeah, bro. Almost. Okay, rarity. So what's the problem? Oh, my boys, of course, I forget about one more important thing. Text, of course. Item rarity dot text for text color. Now should changed. Okay. Let's first print text rarity. For example, okay. Oh, my boys, my bad. Like this one. Yeah, that's it. Not common color. That's it. Let's equip, for example, this blue one. We don't update our data. That's bad. Let's update our data. Update data, and we need to switch again. Probably, yeah. Let's go, my boys. Yeah. Okay, we need to think why it works like so. Because we don't actualize our data, and we use old data always. We need to use new data. Oh, wait. Maybe like this one. Ninja, blue one, nice. So I wanna equip this guy. Nice, let's go, my boys. Let's work. So normal guy, gray one, because this is common. We equip this one. Ninja, blue one, nice. Okay, my boys, let's open some crates. I wanna maybe more guys. Okay, let's sort by rarity. Okay, we have green ones. Let's switch. Green, nice. This is proof you can't make a super good game in 30 days. Yeah, this is definitely hard, bro. This is definitely hard. Maybe if I have more knowledge, maybe I could do that. But in 30 days, this is really hard, really. This is definitely really hard. Update bool value. Okay, if update, okay, if not update, then self switch true, like this one maybe. Dude, don't say more knowledge. I don't even understand 99% of what you're scripting. You're super good. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. But why I say like so? Because, bro. Oh, my boys, let's go. It's updated automatically. Nice, as you see. Let's go, my boys. Let's go. Normal guy. Oh, equip normal guys here. Let's go, my boys. When I started, bro, I have more knowledge. I have really, I even don't know about meta tables, like which I use as you see self, a lot of things self, and methods like here. I learned it during this development way, so now yeah I have. But when I started this challenge, bro, I have much less knowledge. A lot of guys advised me some things what I should learn, and that's why I do like so now. So when I started, really first 30 days, that was absolutely different. I have much less knowledge than now. Now I boost my skills a lot of times. So that's it. Hyperfun, I'm making music for my game right now. It's hard. Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Anyway, bro. Anyway, good job that you decided to do that. So that's already cool that you do something, bro. So good job. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay, my boys. So now what we need to make also, we need switch characters. We already make that. Character switcher. Let's connect character switcher. Or wait, choose character, yeah. Local, choose character. Require script parent characters, choose character. Choose character. Self. Oh no. Character dot new, right? Okay, let's place item before at the beginning better. And like this one. Let's go, my boys. Let's go, my boys. That works. But science, that's incorrect. That's okay. That's okay. Let's go, my boys. That's work. Nice. I like that. I really like that. Nice. Very, very good. So, okay, now we need to... So what's the problem with our science? Self current character. Set current. Maybe all of that we need to only here. Yeah, probably. So first time it doesn't work for some reason. What the hell? You should like add the texture to the arms on the zombies, or at least to the clothing. This is not the final models, bro. This is not the final models. Final models will be later. Set sign. Wait. Set current. So I press it first. I press it once. First one, this is survivor, right? Right. Maybe we need to just change the order, I think. Yeah. Nice. Like this one. Let's go, my boys. So we need just to change the order, that's all we need. Let's choose one. Wait, why it's a zombie? What the hell? Why it's a zombie? Wait. Why it's a zombie? Okay, what if we remove that from here and put here? Let's see. Okay, but if we, for example, equip this one, okay, wait. Maybe we don't need it, really. We don't need it, I think. Update. Maybe we don't need that. Let's try. So now it's worked properly. It's worked properly. So I switch to the zombie. I wanna pick For example, this tank. Okay, it switched to the tank because I picked that, right? Right. If I switched to this one, I know guys, what's the reason. Probably if not update, set current. Let's try. Zombie, switch tank, it chooses tank. Switched another tank is. So I wanna maybe this one, guys, maybe this one. That's it. Yeah, looks like so. So what's the reason? What's the difference? Because if I choose, if I, for example, switch to the zombie and I wanna pick one more ninja survivor, I wanna press equip and I wanna see at the I wanna see here not a zombie, I wanna see my survivor, and if I pick another one survivor, I also don't want to switch to the zombie, like so. So looks like work, my boys. Inventory, rarity, equip, like this one. Okay, but looks like it doesn't work at the first time when I press that. Oh wait, why I switched to the zombie? What the hell? Okay, I don't understand anyway. For some reason it's a little bit buggy. Also we need to make these buttons disappear when we open any menu. Is there any YouTuber you recommend watching to learn scripting that also actually explains everything? I'm back. Welcome back, Noel. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I heard a lot of guys told about Brawl Dev, like he's good teacher. But I watched all these tutorials for a very long time ago, and not a lot. So I can't help you. A lot of guys told about Brawl Dev. You can try to find that. Yeah, only thing I can tell you. Okay, let's think why it doesn't work properly. Wait, maybe we don't need to switch? Or wait. Thank you, no problem, bro, no problem. Okay, I think I just incorrectly make everything here because it doesn't work like it should be. Let's remove that. Let's make switch method only when we really switch, when we press our buttons, right? Right. when we change something, we make all of that, like set sign, set. Oh, I know, item should be later, of course, my boys. Also, this is very important. After switching, and choose character, and just make like so. And if we update, we just need to do everything the same, but probably without okay, let's instead of that, let's just create a method which called function character switcher set character, and it does all of that. Yeah, and instead of just doing that in here, we just self set character here. After all of that methods, and here we just make, where is it, update. After update, we just make like so. Maybe it will be better. I gotta go. Okay, bro, thanks for being here. By the way, Profan, if you don't mind asking, how is it like for you? Like, you live in the basement, but can you go out to the shop and stuff? Oh, there is active shooting above you. Or you just in the basement, so you don't have to go in the war. If you don't have to answer if you don't wanna, of course. I can say you like that, bro. I'm in the basement not because of war. I can live just in the home, just because first, this is more safe because there is no windows, and because if glass breaks after explosions like rockets or something like so, it can really wound me. And here is more safe because there's no windows at all, and there's such a big walls like this one. But I'm not so close to the front line, or how it's called. Yeah, I'm not so close, like there's so far from me, like maybe I don't know, 300 kilometers or something like so, I think. But missiles, they fly everywhere on the country, so, and also drones also flies everywhere, so so I'm not so I don't need to go outside because of certain circumstances, so, and I have everything here to live, so that's it. I don't want to miss a second your life. No problem, bro, no problem. Just next time, tomorrow will be next one, why not? So just next time you can join. So no, frontline is called, or frontline, pretty far from me. So no active shooting above me. No active, only really missiles and drones, but there is a lot of drones sometimes. Sometimes there is really a lot of explosions above my head, and that's it. But that's okay. After 3 years, this is like the part of your life. So that's it. Okay, let's try maybe like so. Okay, looks better. Inventory, equip, tank. Stay safe. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Equip. Yeah, my boys. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, this is really better. When I separate that on different methods, and it looks more better and more organized now. So, also. We probably need to know if the data updated. Yeah, we can do it better, even better, I think. Or not. Or we don't need it. Okay, we don't need it. Alright, here. So, one more thing we need to have here. First, when we initialize that, how it looks like, I'm very interested. Ninja, okay. Zombie, okay. If I equip instead of ninja, normal guy, for example, let's see if it starts from normal guy. Yes, it starts from normal guy. Great, my boys, great. So switcher, character switcher done. Yeah, like this one. And now we need to hide. Yeah, we need to hide our buttons. This is important. When we open any our menu, we can do that probably in main buttons controller, I think. Yeah. Hide main buttons. Yeah, let's make it here. Let's make it here. Hide main buttons. Self main buttons visible false. True. And let's make here as a variable. Not only main buttons. Let's make character. Self character switcher switcher equals to GUI. Character. I think that's enough. And let's go visible to false, and this one visible to true. Let's try that. Let's go, my boys. Let's go. All works. So as you see, it disappears, all the buttons, when we open menu. Great, great, and it appears again. But wait. Again, the problem, like our science is incorrect for our wait. So our probably I know what's the problem. Set sign. I think I know. Set current should be first. Yes, I think it should be first. And set sign should be the second one. Let's try. Yeah, great. Great, my boys. Why don't my chats show up? I don't know. In here or I don't know, bro. Maybe some lags. Okay, great, my boys. Great. We can switch between them. Let's pick this guy, for example. Tank. Okay. All right. Let's start again. Let's start again. Tank. Great, my boys. All works great. It probably contains stuff like link, because when I ask Profan about GUI sites, I put a link and it blocks my yeah. YouTube blocked message links by default, guys. So better do that. Yeah, better do that in Discord, maybe. So guys, I'm gonna eat right now and I'll be here in 20 minutes. My boys, I'll take my camera and I leave it like so. Enjoy a meal. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. I'm back, my boys. Welcome back. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm back. Oh. So, my boys. So, my boys. So, let's initialize that, because I wanna have a clear screen. Let's initialize that also in main buttons, probably. Self character switcher. Visible equals to true. Welcome back, bro. Thank you. It's been 30 minutes. Probably, bro, probably. Okay, great. Great. Nice. So. Having a big portions. Yes, bro, yes. Glad to see you still working hard. Yeah, bro, thank you. Hello, welcome. Let's go. So, let's see any errors maybe. No any errors. Great, my boys. So main buttons controller character switcher we have. So what we need to do also. We had some problems, if I'm not wrong, with switching between shop and inventory, right? Like if we buy this, for example, 20 ninja crate. Yeah, as you see, we switch on the new page for some reason. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. This is in our in our shop system, definitely. Presentation. Yeah, I know where it is. Probably here. Show items true. Tab show items true. Probably because of that. Okay, let's try without this one. So what's the problem? For fun, I think I found some good UIs on the site. Great, bro. Great, bro. Can't say the name. No problem, bro. If I need that, I ask you later, but probably not now. Okay, wait. So what's the problem? Oh, we don't update that, but this one works. Oh, what the hell is that? What site? I sent in Discord in a pinned message and help you the last my message probably. Yeah, free GUIs. I sent a message. So my boys. So when we buy this one, it works. When we open, it works. And when we buy here, it works. But it doesn't work here. Yeah. We don't update that. On this page. Show items true. Okay, let's go to our tabs and create stub. Let's see what's the reason why it doesn't work like so. Inventory buttons, controller, current tab. Oh, probably I know, guys. Probably I know. Like here. Inventory buttons, controller. Shop buttons, controller. Maybe like this one. Current tab. Render items. Let's try. Oh yeah. Oh, not render, show items. Because for shop we have different methods, like this one. Let's go. Okay. Looks like work. Okay. Shop system deals day 2, for example. Let's go. Oh wait, let's reset all data. Better. Okay, let's go. So what's the problem? Okay. We need to update buttons. If we have some crates here, yeah. We need to update, show the buttons. This is first one. So when I press buy, and if we bought that, we need to update. Let's start with this one. Let's start with this one. Show items in the crates tab. Self viewer controller. Wait, no, this is tab, so we need a viewer. What the hell I'm doing, really? I think what's what's the problem? Let's go to create viewer. Yeah, right. And here. Here. Interaction buttons. So we update that, right? Somehow. Print one, I wanna see if we update that. Creates. No, we don't update that. How we change the amount of that? I think I know. I think I know. We use something else here. Something else. Let's see. Update. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So we have update. Yeah, we need here make show or hide our buttons. Yeah, that's it. Self button, interaction buttons. Self buttons, interaction buttons. Let's make like so. What is interaction buttons? Let's see. Show frame. Viewer. Grades. Buttons. Interaction buttons. Okay, this is a frame. Let's define that. Frame. Interaction button dot visible equals to true. If not, equals to false. Right? Right. I think. Let's try. Now. So when we sell that, okay, it disappears. When we buy, it should appear, but it doesn't appear. Why, bro? Why, bro? Print. Okay, let's put print here. Print 2. I wanna see how it goes. 2. Okay, that's right. That's work. 1. But why my buttons don't appear? What the hell? Okay, let's see how it looks like inside our GUI. Maybe I missed something. Shop frame, viewer, grades, buttons, interaction buttons. Visible true. Oh, the problem because we don't show these buttons. Why we don't show them? I don't know. Because we do it here. Because we do it here incorrectly. That's right. Okay, my boys. I found the problem. We'll easy fix that, I think. Okay, let's make like this. We have interaction buttons, frame, open button. Why I do like so? Damn crazy, I love that cell system, so I don't spam and broke my mouse. That actually happened before. Yes bro, yes bro. I just listened to you guys and realized that we definitely need that. Visible equals to false. Yeah, true, true. Or button, GUI button in interaction buttons, get children do if not button is a GUI button, then continue end. Button active equals to true, and just reverse that here. Okay, why I do like so? Why I do like so? Guys, this is absolutely terrible. Function creates viewer, toggle interact buttons. This is guys not good approach. Make like so. We can just place it in a separated method and it will be really great. Okay, maybe create call self interaction buttons show equals to false. Oh yeah, what is interaction buttons? Of course, you need to define that. Oh wait, no, we can't place it here because this is for certain things. Or wait, or we can. Yeah, let's just try. Okay, not let's make not like so better. Let's make a boolean, and that will be enough for that. That will be easier to control. Profound, did you know how ProScripter script? I see they have tons and so many layers of folder in rep that separate each script function, and they mostly use module script. Probably they use OP like so, bro, like this one. So I have services like shop system, and there's a lot of modules I use. Meta tables will be better if you learn, and object-oriented programming. Definitely, this is the great thing. I use that right now. Yeah, separate by modules. This is really very easy to control everything here. Very easy to control. Like you need, for example, to find the bug with your sound. You go to Sound Manager, which is module, and that's it. Really easy. Yeah, at the beginning very hard to understand for me. It was. But now, bro, this is amazing. This is just amazing thing. I love that. I really love that. And it's easy to expand this game later. Bro, with it's so cool. Yes, bro, yes. I spent 4 or 5 months to understand that. I tried, and only when I use AI just to explain me how I can implement that in my game. So that's it. To be honest, it looks satisfying for some reason. Bro, you even don't you even can't feel how it satisfies for me, bro. You can't even imagine, bro, because when before I'll show you like my script looked before. Oh, I've already removed that. Let me show how my lobby controller looked before, like so. This is one local script, almost 1500 lines, almost in one script. Absolutely terrifying and very hard. Imagine I have broken sound and I need to find some functions here. Now I just go to for example inventory system, sound manager. That's my module which is responsible for only for sound. This is for sounds only, so it's easy to find such small functions, easy to fix, easy to expand, easy to control everything. If I have problem with animation, I go to in animation script and it controls only animation. So it's really cool, because now I even can't imagine how I worked without that. But it required high level of script, right? Yeah, this is definitely advanced level of scripting, but this is not means, bro, you can do that. You definitely can do that. So just you need to spend time to understand that if you need, if you really need that thing. So, but I even don't. Oh, let's go. All works. Nice. So when I open, okay, disappears buttons. I feel it before. I guess my friends named Benger, he also did the same thing, and I just fall in love of that, cause like, bro, like I just see heaven on this big dev world. No, bro, this is not so far like you think, probably. This is really just I felt after I learned that, bro, after 30 days, after first 30 days of development, I realized I need to refactor the whole my game. That's why this challenge is so long. That's why it's day 87 or something like so. Because bro, I learned all of that. I rewrite the whole my game, and that's why it takes a lot of time. If I just continue making like before, I probably already released my game. But I understand later, if I just continue making like I made before, I just stuck for a very long time with some bugs and so on. This is like for the future. For the future development, I can easily control in the future everything here. I can easily expand, like you just connect some new modules and it works, and it doesn't break your old game. So that's why it's not necessary, bro. You can make the same game without using a lot of modules. But really, if you feel you need that, bro, this is definitely worth. So as you see, let's sell, for example, 4. Okay. Sell 1. Okay, great. If I buy, okay. If I buy more, maximum. Okay, let's go, my boys. Let's go, my boys. All works. Info works. Possible abilities. Nice. I like that. I really like that. Okay, my boys. Sell maximum. Yeah, buttons disappeared. If I wanna buy this one, what? Oh, yeah, my bad. I know, guys, what's the problem? Because I don't have money to buy that. Let's sell this one. Maximum. And let's go to the shop, best deals, and I wanna buy this one. What's that? Already in self data deals purchased. I wanna see what is what's the problem is here. Print self data. Let's check. I think I know what's the problem. Buy more, maximum, best deals. Okay. New. Why nil? I don't know. Okay, first let's fix all step by step. First, what I wanna real fix. I wanna fix this thing. These buttons, which on each other. So create sphere, best deal sphere. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Welcome. So my boys, we need to hide our buttons inside. Wait, best deal sphere. Wait, I think I know what's the problem. As you see, when we pick this one and then this one, it disappears. So we just need to clean we just need to clean like in the crates viewer. We don't clean our buttons. It's me, the brain rot guy, just changed my name. Damn, I'm late. Okay, bro, okay. Welcome, bro. Okay. Great here. Cancel, sell. So I need to know why we hide our buttons. I think I know why we hide. What is self-clear? Self-clear. Self GUI creates chances. Okay. No, it's not what we need. By the way, someone suggested to have like practice mods. It would be cool. Yeah, will be practice mods. Practice mods probably will be with AI. So you can play with AI character, AI monster, for example, like so. Maybe, yeah, maybe it will be, because I also thought about that. It will be easier to test and so on. Oh, close viewers, probably close viewers. Yeah, I think, yeah, looks like this one. Let's see if, yeah, we don't have this one, of course. Close viewers. Let's put here close viewers. What is close viewers? Let's see. I can't find where I close the viewers. Close self close viewers. Oh, wait. This is in parent class, probably, right? Okay, let's try. If it's so, it should work. Crates. Okay. Yeah. I even don't need to do something. This is what I told Phoenix about OP. I just call the method, like function, and it applies here. But I don't even have this function here in my module script, because we have parent class which controls everything. Nice. I really don't need to do anything. As you see, this button disappears when I select this one. Yeah, great. But okay, this is fixed. Now, what we need to do, we need to maybe when we switch to new tab, we need to switch this one, right? Okay, maybe later. This is not the first thing we need to fix. First thing we need to fix, this is this one. Okay, not enough money. Then, if not enough money, what we do? If not enough money, return warn not enough money. Maybe false. Let's try again. Oh, yeah, my bad. Anyway, wait. You're also gonna need AI that more smart, cause the game now really rely on player counts, no player, no game. So if you add bots, let's say the matchmaking is taking too long, then AI will replace them. Yeah, I thought about that. Yeah, I also thought about that. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah, now that's a problem. I also think about that, like that's a problem that we rely on the player only. Okay, let's see. Set currency. I know probably what's the problem. Let's see. Data controller should go to shop service. Buy special. Oh, I know, guys. I know what's the difference probably. Yeah. Return end in shop service. Okay, let's close all of that. Shop system. Remote controllers, server remotes. And here, buy special. We don't need it anymore. Buy special. Maybe like this. Maybe like this. Let's try. Let's let's wipe all the data first. Okay, and let's start. Oh no, wait, I need to buy maximum, then go here. Okay, great. I just can't buy that. If I sell, I can't buy. What the hell? Okay, maybe we need we wait call back anyway. Remote event by special. Wait, by special we don't have, right? Wait. Rates. Buy to the maximum. Best deals. Not enough money. Okay. Sell all. I don't understand. What the hell? Interesting. Why it's sold? Oh, wait. So, somewhere we anyway have this thing. Where is buy special? I'm very interested. Buy special. Okay, not in the shop service, I think. Yeah, let's find this one. Oh yeah, that's it. If not data, then return end. Maybe like this. Let's try again. Okay, sold. We have this crate. Now go here, buy more. Shop, it's sold anyway. It's sold. That's the problem, because it's sold. Okay, why it's sold? I'm very interested. Why is it so? Maybe buy special somewhere else. Of course, my boys. Yes, best deal stop. If not data, then return end. Maybe like so. Print data, and I want to see maybe we have some data anyway. Let's go. Yeah, that's work. By maximum. White salt, what the hell? White salt anyway. But I don't have these crates. What the hell? The problem with best deal stop, definitely. Probably because I know guys, probably why is it so? I know. Button activated. Because we changed that self-show. Yes, salt. We call this method. We call this method wait, what the hell is that? Maybe like this? Anyway, wait, what the hell? I don't understand why I made like so. Like if it responded to us, okay, but if not, we don't need to do something. What if we just put that like so? Or not? Maybe somewhere I... Okay. Check bot. Self deals purchased. I think I know where the problem. Deal purchased. I think I know what's the problem. Okay, yes. I've got it, my boys. I just write it down for some reason. But I shouldn't. Let's remove that. Okay, what in the main? Oh, okay. Okay, my boys, of course. Oh yeah, I've got it. What the hell I'm doing? Check special, but not set special. We don't need to set special. We need self data controller and create. Okay, maybe not. By create self data controller. Function data controller by special. I hope I don't have that. Data, self data. Oh, data. Like this one. Deal ID. Like this one. By special and deal ID we need here. And deal ID like this one. By special deal ID. Return data. Maybe we don't need to return anything. Okay, let's try again. Now. Okay. By maximum. Now by this one. Okay, we don't buy that. Nice. But if we sell all that, we can buy that. Nice. Wait. Okay, maybe we don't need to do it here, really. Maybe we just make it here. Self data. Oh, I know, wait. Yeah, my bad. My bad, guys. I forget. Not just self data dot deals purchased. Okay, maybe deals purchased like this one. What about this? Okay, I can't buy it again. Buy maximum. Why not enough money? What the hell? Oh, okay. Okay, nice. So I can't buy that, but if I sell all the crates and I have money, I can buy that, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, all works. Nice. Great. We're closer to finish this. So, my boys, for today, that's all, my boys. Oh, my camera is died. Probably. Okay. Yeah. So, my boys, for today, that's all. What game you making? There's a pinned message in the chat. There's a 4 minutes video about this game, but basically this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors with procedural generated maps. So, my boys, thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and we'll see you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.